What's going on, gentlemen? So today we're talking all about how to organize your closet from top to bottom and some of the ways that I handle that type of organization. I feel like most of us guys tend to hang on for things way too long, which makes our closet and our dressers become full of items that we don't even wear anymore. And the problem is, with all this extra clutter, it adds confusion when we're trying to choose what to wear for that day. Not only that, it just looks messy overall. So don't go anywhere, because I've got a couple really easy ways you can start tackling that closet. Okay, welcome back to my channel, and as always, I'm glad that you're here. Really quick though, if you don't know who I am yet, I'm John, and I'm the founder of 40overfashion.com. I've been helping men to look better, feel better, and to have more confidence since 2014. And on this YouTube channel, we cover topics that surround men's lifestyle, specifically geared for grown-ups. So if you like the sound of that, please consider subscribing. All right, step one is to really look at your closet on the whole and then evaluate what you wear on a regular basis, right? What's in your regular rotation. Then take the items that you haven't worn in, say, 12 months or so, take those out and put them in a pile somewhere. Even if it includes that really awesome shirt that of course you're gonna start wearing again as soon as you lose that 10 pounds. And yes, I know you have that shirt because I used to have the same one. Okay, next, now that you have a little more space in your closet to deal with, start with your shirts. Put all your similar colors together, right? Put all of your white shirts together and put all your blue shirts together. Now, if you've got a lot of shirts that have pattern, for example, put all your pattern stuff together as well. Put all your polo shirts together, all your short sleeve stuff together, and basically you're organizing everything by color, type, and pattern. Now, once you have that done, do the same thing with your pants. Put all your dress trousers together, all your chinos together, and all your jeans together. And if you've got different color chinos or different washes of denim, group them up in order from, say, dark to light. Now, once that's all done, you have a much better look at what you actually have. So, take a look. What do you see that's repetitive? For example, how many white shirts do you have? How many white shirts do you really need? How many navy blue pairs of trousers do you have? And how many do you actually need? And you can probably start to see where I'm going with this, right? But of course, I understand the need to have a bunch of white shirts if your work uniform requires you to wear white shirts every single day. But the point of doing it this way is to evaluate what you have in this manner, and if you find that you have a lot of repetitive colors and patterns, you can start to eliminate some of that overlap. Okay, for example, if you're staring at 4 black polo shirts in your closet, my guess is that 1 or 2 of those are probably your favorites, and the other 2 you just don't reach for that often for whatever reason, right? So why do you need 4 black polo shirts? Keep 2 and donate the rest. Continue this method through your t-shirts, your sweatshirts, and even your shoes. Because I'm telling you, there are a lot of people out there right now that could benefit from those items that you no longer use. Oh, and that big pile that you made earlier of all that stuff that you haven't worn in a year, get rid of it or donate it. Because let's be honest with ourselves, right? If you haven't worn that thing in the last 12 months, you're not gonna wear it. So it's best that you just clear that stuff out and make room for new items that you actually need and will actually wear. And when you're all done doing this, and if you want to grab some of these wood hangers and rubber pants hangers that I use to help class up the look and feel of your closet, I'll go ahead and link to some of my favorites down below in the description. So if you like this video, or even if you didn't, please let me know by tapping that thumbs up or the thumbs down button so that I know what types of videos you do like watching. And if you're a subscriber, that means I'll see you in just a few days for another brand new video. But until then, my friends, live well, stay healthy, and I do hope to see you again very soon.